Hello friends, welcome to the weight loss program. As you people know, I am more into weight loss surgeries. I am a weight loss specialist, and but I used to do a lot of counseling for my medical weight loss programs, and I used to tell people, get into yoga, get into exercise, do some meditation, do relaxation. I used to do a lot of that counseling as well. That is the point when I realized that okay, it is high time for me to start some weight loss program online, so that you daily get that dose of motivation, and there are so many things to learn in weight loss program. Like I have divided the whole program into 7 parts. So it's lifestyle, it's breathing, it's yoga and exercise, then it's food. Food is very important, it plays a very important part. Then it's naturopathy, where we are going to daily discuss about some herbs. Like today we are going to discuss about ginger. Okay. Then comes all the mudras. Okay, she is a better person to explain us what mudras are, and then she is going to explain you that as well. And then comes the meditation and relaxation exercise. It's very important to meditate daily for at least 10 minutes. Session for lifestyle is about sleep. It's very important to sleep properly. People always have a mistake. See, we have a biological clock inside us, okay? And that biological clock is like when night happens, automatically there are certain hormones that get secreted which will slow down your digestion.
I'll start with the prayer. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. I've heard about pranayama. Pranayama is breathing exercises. But to start with pranayama, you have to breathe properly. So you should know the basic technique of breathing properly. So we will do it simultaneously. I will show you how to breathe normally. So left hand on your lap, right hand on your upper abdomen. Slowly inhale, breathe in. Feel your tummy coming out. With your hand, you should feel it. Then slowly exhale. Your tummy going in. You should feel your tummy going in.
Now I am going to talk about food, my favorite topic. See, basically food, it's very important what you eat. What choices of food you make also is very important. So now my today's tip of the day for a permanent weight loss. Okay, we are supposed to eat ideally who are professionals, who are daily doing your work, and 2 meals is more than sufficient that what we need. Okay. Another part, that's naturopathy. Now if you see,
First, when you use ginger, please peel off the skin. That is more important. You should not use ginger with the skin. You will not have this complete effect of the ginger. Ginger you can add in any food items.
to discuss something about mudras. See, basically, I have included this mudras as a part of our weight loss program, and in future, whatever programs we are going to do, I am going to use it because I felt like what I learned from her. She was telling that mudras are divine, and if you see all
Mudras are nothing but hand gestures. Okay? All our ancient rishis, so many sages, they have all used mudras to cure any ailment. Okay? You can use your hands to cure yourself. In Tamil they say, Tan kaiye tanakudavi. Tan kaiye tanakudavi. Your hand will help you.
Okay.
Okay, that is the
That's
meaning.
interesting.
Okay, and scientifically I don't know anything about medically or anything, but still what I learned from my guru is that all the nerves end up in your hands and fingers. Okay, you have to activate your hand chakras. There are so many chakras in our body. The main are the 7 chakras. You might have heard, you might have seen in YouTube, so many channels, you might have seen about or heard about chakras. So, chakras are nothing but energy bodies which you cannot see with your normal eyes. Activate your hand chakra. The best thing is to clap your hands. Clap 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then rub your palm nicely. Should become hot. Rub it. Then keep your left hand like this. Right hand pointing finger. Rotate. Don't touch your palm. Just rotate clockwise 3 times. Don't do anti-clockwise. Just do clockwise rotation. Leave it. Then right hand. Keep your right hand with your left hand pointing finger. Rotate inside your palm. Don't touch your palm without touching. Just rotate. Relax. You will feel a pulling sensation, rotation inside your palm. Yeah, you are feeling because your Kairasi is good here. That's why because you are a doctor.
Yeah.
So you are treating so many patients and they are getting cured, no?
Yeah.
So your hand chakra is already activated.
Okay, I feel
Otherwise, no. Do this mudra. Today this is enough. First start with hand chakra activation, aura testing, and
we are now at the 7th point, that is meditation and relaxation. So let us learn something. I believe in meditation. Basically, as I told you, I follow yoga, and I got into yoga and meditation 10 years back when I went to an ashram to learn this, and then I really started enjoying that. And it really works. That's where I realized that okay, let me make it as a part of routine. So I really believe that daily 10 minutes, and there are scientific things that are proved that meditation helps our repair processes to do very fast. It repairs your body like anything, and it increases your immunity also. I was doing an FP live sometime back, then that's where I told also that yoga, meditation, exercise, proper sleep, all these things are something that will help you to increase your immunity.